Hello, this is Beatrice again. I am going to talk about TAT, which is Tapas acupressure technique. It's also another technique to reprogram our mind, and I believe it works wonders with anything you're struggling that is related to a trauma event. I believe a lot of people use this even for depression, anxiety, or phobias, or even addictions and things. So you can do it for anything. It's all up to you. I think you just, the trick, like psyche, you got to know what's the lie that you're replacing with the truth that's really going to set you free. So it's not hard, and I'm not saying this is the best. I like them all. Do it all. If it don't work, it didn't cost you a dime. It's just a few minutes of relaxation. So it's good. What you're gonna do is you're gonna do the ring finger and this one, and then your middle finger. You're gonna push the ring finger and your thumb here, and you're gonna push a little bit, and then your middle finger, creating a triangle. You do it for 4 minutes. Set your timer, and then you put your left hand in here and do it like this for 4 minutes, and you're gonna bring to your mind the trauma event that you think started it all, whatever it is. And I know a lot of us fear what's going to happen. What am I going to feel? But I want you to relive. I want you to feel what you felt that day. I want you to come to remember. You do not have to say it out loud, but you say it on your brain. I felt so powerless. I felt like a victim. I felt like I was going to die. I felt like there's nothing I could do. I felt like I'm going to be afraid for the rest of my life that this anxiety comes back. I am afraid what people are going to think if they know that this is happening. Relive the event. What's going to happen? And what happened to me, there's certain things that can happen to me, but you're going to feel, it happened to me in 2 minutes, but don't go over 4 minutes. You're going to feel like, I started feeling a drunk, feeling like I couldn't talk anymore, but I wasn't even talking. Even in my brain, I couldn't think. I started feeling down. I started feeling even a little bit of nauseous. I started feeling like pressure. It's done. Once that happens, your mind goes blank. You can't even think about it. You can't even bring it back. It's done. So we are bringing that. It's like we're resetting our computer. So then you put your hands on your legs again and you breathe. You can keep your eyes closed until you feel like yourself again. And it's done. Now we're going to replace it with the truth that needs to set us free. So you do it again. Ring finger, thumb, middle, and left for another 4 minutes or until the feelings of it's done. And then you're going to replace with the truth. If the anxiety comes, it's not going to kill me. I'm not afraid about having panic attacks. I don't care what people think of me. What happened to me was not even my fault. Whatever it is, I am powerful. I can change things. I'm in charge of my life. And whatever it is, I am worthy. To replace the lie with the truth is like we're rewiring our brain, okay? So you're going to start feeling the same feelings again. So it's just like psyche, you replace the lie with the truth. And you start feeling that feeling again, like it's done, you can't even talk, it's done. 4 minutes. And that's it. I cannot pinpoint to anything that worked for me. In my other video about anxiety and how I got rid of anxiety and panic attacks and depression, I guess, taking care of my life, being responsible, don't blaming other people, reparenting my inner child, start loving and respecting myself radically, don't doing anything you don't want to do. And I'm not saying you go into a selfish mode, but yes, some of it, because we're so used to put ourselves last. It doesn't work. So how about we put ourselves as equals? So that could work a lot more. And so more than anything, that's what helps me. But we have all these tools, the breathing tools, meditation has done amazing wonders to me. But this is just another tool. So try it and see if you like it, and tell me if it works. I think it works. You can also do the muscle testing before and after to see if it's done. I show these muscle testing. This is the way I do it. This is not the only way to do it. Before you record, am I afraid anxiety is going to happen? Am I afraid anxiety is going to happen again? And then, am I afraid anxiety is coming? It's not anymore. So that means it's done. So there's lots of ways to reprogram our brains. This is not new. And I hope you like it. This is just another method that a lot of people use, and it works. I think it works. Have a very good weekend and enjoy your life.